The most important verbs in English are those that are essential for forming basic sentences, expressing common actions or states, and conveying essential grammatical functions. Here's a list of these foundational verbs, often called core or auxiliary verbs, which enable a wide range of expression. Auxiliary and modal verbs. Used to indicate identity, states, and conditions, and for forming continuous and passive tenses, e.g. am, is, are, was, were, have. Essential for forming perfect tenses and expressing possession or experiences, e.g. have, has, had. Do, used in forming questions, negatives, and emphatic statements, as well as for general actions, e.g. do, does, did. Will, key modal verb for future tense and intention, e.g. will, would. Can, expresses ability, permission, and possibility, e.g. can, could. May, indicates permission or possibility, e.g. may, might. Must, conveys necessity or obligation, action and state verbs make. Indicates creation, causation, or compulsion, e.g. make, makes, made. Go, essential for describing movement, travel, or progression, e.g. go, goes, went. Get, used for acquiring, becoming, and many idiomatic expressions, e.g. get, gets, got. Take, involves taking possession or action, often with physical or metaphorical objects, e.g. take, takes, took. Know, expresses knowledge, awareness, or familiarity, e.g. know, knows, knew. Think, conveys thoughts, beliefs, or opinions, e.g. think, thinks, thought. See, refers to perception, both physical and metaphorical, e.g. see, sees, saw. Come, indicates movement toward a place or person or arrival, e.g. come, comes, came. Give, shows the act of providing or transferring something to someone, e.g. give, gives, gave. These verbs are foundational because they are versatile, frequently used, and cover a wide range of essential actions, states, and grammatical structures in English.